I'm excited about because y'all know where I got it from, a Unice, my most favorite human hair wig company. If you are new here, my name is Jessica and I can't comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair and makeup, and Unice definitely lets me do that because they make very beginner friendly units and very affordable units. All I've done was take this out of its packaging so I can do everything on camera with you guys. So as always, the unit comes in this beautiful, beautiful, iconic pink box with their branding on it. And then when I open up the box, we have the wig and the extras that Unice included. They did just 2 packs of stocking caps and a silk storage case. That is it, okay? So the wig that I picked up is a 7x5 bye-bye-nice wig, which equals affordable and beginner friendly. It is 24 inches long, and I think it's a curly unit I picked up, and it has finger coils, my latest obsession. They also included some bye-bye-nice tabs. So y'all, these finger coils, if you are, you've been here for a while, y'all, I've been obsessed with finger coils, and I do not know why, but they are just so cute to me. So when I saw that Unice made a finger coily wig in this beautiful color, this beautiful milk chocolate brown, I've reviewed this color in a straight unit and a body wave unit, and I loved it. So when I saw they made a wig with finger coils, I said I gotta have it. Look at that, so cute, and beginner friendly, y'all. So this 7x5 parting space makes it so easy because when I get like a 13x4 or 13x6, I feel overwhelmed. And with a 7x5, I can purchase in the left the left to the right, in the middle. I could do half up, half down, and not feel overwhelmed. Also, they've included a comb in the back and some adjustable straps. And we have an adjustable glueless band. And they have silicone adhesion going around the wig to make it lay flat. But my most favorite part of the wig is the drawstring. With this drawstring, I don't need nothing else, okay? The drawstring makes this wig feel customized to my head without it being too tight or too loose. So I love the drawstring. This is not going to take long at all. I'm gonna put this on my head without doing anything to it and let you see it. Then, I'll brush it out, come out some of these finger coils, give you a 360, and I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So one of these lotions. city. Maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson.
All right, guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and as always, Unice just delivered 10 out of 10. So what I love the most about Unice is the beginner friendliness. Somebody like me that can't really comb hair, the fact that I'm able to put this on my head right out of the pack, swoop those baby hairs back, and I'm good to go, that will always be the #1 reason why I will continue to purchase hair from Unice. That and the price point. Price point is also very, very nice. These curls are so cute. Y'all know I absolutely love these finger coils. Here I pulled all of them out just about. Here I left some of them in just so you can see. And I think that they are absolutely gorgeous, especially in this color. Like, this is the springtime, summertime color. And I just think that, y'all, I think that it is so pretty. All I did, like I said, was swoop some of those baby hairs back, and this is what we got. And I sprayed it down with water. That's all that was in this bottle. And I'm just in love with this unit. I have this unit also in black by Unice, and I love. Now I have to go see if they make it in a burgundy or a red type version, because I gotta have that one too. So 10 out of 10. This is one I definitely can recommend, and this will definitely be in my springtime rotation because y'all, this just feels so good. Also, that drawstring, y'all. I know y'all probably get tired of me talking about the drawstring, but the drawstring on these units is the game changer for me. This feels so comfortable on my head. Doesn't feel too tight. It doesn't feel too loose. Just chef's kiss. Like, I absolutely love this one, y'all. And you will too if you decide to go and pick this one up. Like I always tell y'all, play around on their website, because maybe you don't like this color. They make this wig in other colors. Maybe you like this color but not this curl pattern. They make it in other textures as well. So play around on their website. I promise you will find something that you like. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all thoughts are, because I'm just in love with these finger coils. Until next time, y'all. We'll be very soon. Bye, y'all.